Hi everyone. In the previous video, we had written Hello World program. In this video, let's understand what are comments. Now, in general, comments are the lines which are written in a program, but it is not executed by the program. And then in Python, the comment starts with hash symbol. After this symbol, whatever you write, whatever you want, you can write it till the end of this line. It will be treated as comment. The moment you enter the enter button, whatever you write now, that will not be treated as comment. Till the end of this line, like this line, it will be treated as comment. Comments are not used for writing something like this. It is used for making the program more readable. See, today this is very simple program, but let's say we write the complex program and somebody else has to read the program. If we have the comment on what exactly the block of code is doing, it becomes very easy for the other person also to understand. That is the reason why we have comments. So comment starts with the hash symbol, and now we can write what exactly this block of code is doing in Python. It just prints the hello world. Let's say that prints the hello world. I don't know, prints hello world. Okay. The moment you execute, this will not be executed. Only this line of code will be executed. Now let's see Python indentation. Indentation is nothing but the spaces which we give in the beginning of the code. In other programming languages like C or C++ or any other programming languages, indentation is used for making the code more readable. But in case of Python, it is mandatory because it's part of the syntax. If you have 1 second, okay. In case of C, if we want to write any like if statement, you will give the condition and then you start with this flower bracket and then you close this flower bracket. Whatever you write inside this if block, this comes under if statements. But in case of Python, what happens? Okay. In case of Python, you write if and then you give the spaces. Preferably, 4 spaces is recommended by many Python users. The recommended number of spaces are 4. It's always better to avoid the tabs. Okay. Whatever indented using this four spaces is inside this if statement. Whatever is not indented, it is outside the if if block. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, it is executed. Let's see. I will just see. Now this is not indented. Now it is indented, but it is not indented properly. It is not even outside the if loop or inside the if loop. It is somewhere in between. It's already showing us we are already getting kind of error message like the red color line. But let's see what happens. Let's run this. Okay. See, we got the indentation error. Now, if I give one more space here, again execute this, it executes. This is about the indentation.